Hi everyone, I'm Dylan, and today I'd like to show you 10 of the most useful things that GoDaddy Studio can do to help you start and grow your small business. From securing a domain name and a logo, to easily producing beautiful content on the daily, Studio's true power is its versatility across all stages of your brand's journey. So let's take a look. Let's start with buying a domain name for your business to stake your claim in the online landscape and create a much more professional impression with an easy to remember web address. You can now do this directly from the Studio app, giving you easy access to an affordable and secure domain name from GoDaddy, the world's leading provider. For a mobile-first business, especially when generating leads from social media, a link in bio is essential. And of course, it's another tool in the Studio toolbox. Here again, you can claim a unique mobile URL to add to all your social pages. A range of beautiful templates tease you off to create your personalized link in bio page in a matter of minutes, connecting visitors to all of your online touchpoints. If you have a business name and a URL, well then you'll definitely need a logo. Hundreds of professionally designed logo templates make the process of customizing your own super simple, or just dig into an enormous selection of fonts and graphics and design your own logo from a blank canvas. You can then save it as a graphic and apply it in any color to content or designs in the future. Fonts are another important aspect of your brand identity and also just a lot of fun to play around with. With the Pro subscription, you'll have access to more than 600 different fonts with new on-trend typefaces being added every week. Find the perfect pairing for your brand and save them to keep all your content consistent. The same is true with colors. They're essential to keep your design style consistent and create the right associations with your brand. You can create your unique palette in Studio, save it, and then use the color palette tool to easily tap through different combinations of your color scheme for any design. Or if you need a starting point, scroll through some of our curated palettes and modify these to your liking. With a logo, fonts, and a color palette in place for your brand, creating content becomes effortless with templates. Scroll or search through thousands of beautiful designs in any format and then tap to replace the images, text, fonts, and colors. This saves hours of time and eliminates the terror of the blank canvas for non-designers. Eye-catching visuals are all important in social media content, and with Studio you get an endless supply of high-res photos and video clips from Unsplash, Pixabay, and our own curated library of animated video content. You'll save loads of money by using high-end stock imagery instead of shooting it yourself. And you can of course customize photos and videos further with our editing tools. Beyond the video clips themselves, Studio now includes instant video, which sets you up to create video content in your brand's style. Add and edit multiple clips, add titles, music, video styles, and then export ready to publish. This tool really breaks down the barrier to more professional looking on-brand video ads and promotions. Anyone can use it easily. In the pursuit of clean, professional imagery, removing the background of an image really makes a difference. You can do this with a single tap in Studio, which is particularly useful for creative product shots, as well as playing around with the ever-evolving collage aesthetic. I mentioned customizing photos a little earlier, and this is definitely one of the more creative ways you can use Studio. There are filters and controls to fine-tune things like brightness, contrast, and saturation, but you can get even more expressive with tools like blur, tint, opacity, or the blend tool, which lets you add texture and effects to photographs and videos. You can try it out for free right now. All the links you need are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.